Hi everyone! It's me again, Eeee's Diary, and I'm back. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna tell you the things we have done, the preparations we did before our travel to Armenia. To everyone who are watching right now, thank you so much for your time. Shout out to all of you, especially to Team Paangat, and to everyone who haven't subscribed yet to my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to get notified on my next video. So, as what I've said earlier, in this video, I'm gonna share you some tips, suggestions, all the things we have done, and hope that this video will be an informative video to all of you. So, let's begin. So, we went to Armenia last June 30 until July 4. We were there for 5 days, and so we went there via Wizz Air. We left from Abu Dhabi going to Yerevan. Our flight was at 6 a.m. and then we reached there at 9. It's around 3 hours to 3 hours and 30 minutes travel. So from Dubai, because we have to travel from Dubai to Abu Dhabi, we drove going there, and then we parked our car there for like the whole trip for 5 days. So we left from Dubai around 12 midnight to reach there around 1:30 or 2. And then from there, we went directly to the airport. After we parked our car, we went direct to the airport. And then luckily, it was already a check-in. So we checked in, and then that's it. We waited for the boarding time. And then we traveled to Yerevan. Why we go through Abu Dhabi airport? Because the Wizz Air, I will put all the links somewhere in the screen. So by Wizz Air, our ticket, it was only 1,100 plus for the 3 of us. Our son is still considered as a kid, so it was way cheaper, but for us, for my husband and I, for the adult, it was somewhere 300 plus each of us. Two-way na po yun. So, sulit talaga siya. For the 3 of us, it was 1,000 plus, 1,100 plus. Two-way. And, we're talking about dirhams here sa currency. So, ayun. I booked the ticket that was 1 month away from the date of travel. So next, concerning the visa. For the visa, for us residents here in UAE, we can take the visa upon arrival. But for us to, lessen the hassle of going to the queue and processing everything, we decided to get our e-visa online prior to our arrival. So it will take 3 days to process the visa. So it's like 10 days before our travel, 10 days before June 30. I applied for our visa, and it took us only 3 days to get released. So yeah, luckily for us, it was so easy. We have everything. We have the hotel, we have already the ticket. The requirements are, of course, the ticket, return ticket, the hotel, our residence visa, and our Emirates ID. So, they did not ask us for any insurance, health insurance, or anything regarding insurance, travel insurance, health insurance. There was no requirement like that. Only the main requirements are those I mentioned earlier. And also, the price for the e-visa for the adult, it was $8. We paid $8 and our son was free. Kid was for free. And then while doing the process or while applying the online visa, we have to pay. We cannot pay by debit card. We have to pay by PayPal account. I have my PayPal account, so I was able to pay it online. So that was it. So after I processed, I waited for 3 days to get it released. Concerning our hotel, for my tips regarding the hotel, you have to look for a hotel where it is in the city center, like it's in the middle of the city. So you can just walk around. If you wanna go out in the middle of the night, and if you are anything that you wanted to do within your hotel, within the area of your hotel. So it's better to have it in the middle of the city. So for us, we stayed at Family Hotel. It was a 1-bedroom apartment. We booked it from booking.com and we paid around 500 plus for 5 nights. No, 5 days and 4 nights. So ayun, it was a cozy hotel apartment. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. It has 3 beds, 2 twin bed and 1 queen size bed, something like that. And it has its own small kitchen. It has a heater. For us, we need a heater because the water was so cold. There, the water is so cold, so it is necessary to have it. By the way, I want you to be careful in booking the hotel because there are a lot of. Actually, it was our second hotel. First, I booked. It was 900 kilometers from. No, it was 900 meters away from the city center. I booked that hotel, but then I feel like there is something fishy within that hotel. So before we leave UAE, I decided to change our hotel, and thank God we have that hotel, which is still affordable, the family hotel. I want you to thoroughly check the hotel that you are going to book. Please check as much as possible. Try to research about that hotel that you are going to book. Read all the reviews in TripAdvisory, in booking.com, in all application, all website, just to make sure that this hotel is not like a hostel, not a shared room. It's like bed space, something like that. Because I've heard and I've read some reviews like that, some comments like that. So please, that's my only tip for you. If you want to have a comfortable stay, you have to double check, triple check, background check the hotel that you are going to stay, and make sure that it's in the middle of the city. Also, when I booked our hotel at the Family Hotel Apartments, we booked also our pick-up from the airport. We paid 500 plus for the hotel for 5 nights, plus the 6,000 Armenian Dram for the transfers from airport to the hotel. So for our tour, we booked or we purchased Yerevan Card, 3 Yerevan cards for 2 days. So it was 45 each for adult, and it was like 35 each, 35 US dollars for a kid, for you one. And for us, it was $45. So with that Yerevan Card, there are a lot of benefits that you can avail, which is the tours. There are free tours. There are 2 days free tours, but you have to make sure that the free tours are within your schedule, because there were only scheduled free. It was free, but for those allocated day only. Like, we went to one of the tour which is going to pagan temple, Yerevan temple. It was Monday. So that tour, it was free, and that was only for Monday only. There's no other days. And then the next one was Tuesday or Wednesday, another tour. Benefits of free tours. There is also free SIM with 7 GB internet. And there's also a free call, free within for the country only. You cannot call outside the country. And then there are free e-scooters. You have to ask for the voucher from the office. And there is also a service pickup from the airport. It's up to you. It's from the airport or wherever you want to use it. It's also for free. And there are also discounted tours. If you want to add more, it depends. For us, what we did is that we took the one-day tour only, which is the pagan temple and the Yerevan, the pagan temple and the Yerevan temple. That was free, and we took that one. And then after that, for the other consecutive days, we used their discounted tours. So it was their sister company who catered that tour. So that was it. We went to them. We booked the tours for the next following days. It was all smooth. They pick us up from the hotel, and then after that they dropped us at a meeting point. Then we will be the one to go back to our hotel, or if you want us to roam, if you want to roam around, you can still roam around until you go back to your hotel. So that was for the Yerevan Card. We used their e-scooter. There's also a free city bus tour, and also we availed also the Cognac museum tour with free tasting. What else? Was there anything else? There's also a beer tour, but then that beer tour is a discounted tour. But if you will purchase that one, you can, I will put all the links down, and then you can check what you can do with the Yerevan Card. But very sulit gid siya. You can do a lot of things with your Yerevan Card. It's just that you have to have enough time to do everything, because actually there are free entrances for all the museums in the city. But unfortunately, our time was not enough. So yeah, we weren't able to avail that free entrances of the museums, because we were there for 5 days. So in the first day of our arrival, what we did is we roamed around the city. We went to the stairs one, the Cascade Complex, and then after that we rest for the whole day and started our tour for Monday, because it was Sunday flight. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's all tours. And then on Thursday, that was the day at night. That was the day we have to leave Yerevan going back to UAE. And for that day, that's the only time we took that bus tour and the Cognac tour, free tasting in the morning. So we don't have enough time to roam around and go to the museums within the city. So that's it. For us, 5 days was not enough. I wanted to extend more, but you know, our leave was only for those days. So we have to return back to UAE and go back to our real life as an OFW. So that was it. If you have any questions, you can write it down. I hope I did not forget anything. But If there's any clarification that you wanted to ask, just comment down below, and I hope I can reply to you as soon as possible. To everyone who's gonna travel to Yerevan, I advise you to exchange your money from UAE dirhams to USD here in UAE before you travel. And then once you reach to Armenia, you can change your USD to Armenian Dram. For us, we changed it to from the airport. But there are other exchange center within the city where you can have it, you know, more than what we have. It was 33,300, something like that at the airport. But then there are more bigger exchange rate within the city. So that's it. Also, I'm advising you to bring more cash, because I don't know, for us, when we were there, we like to eat. We like to try everything. So unfortunately, we ran out of our Armenian Dram, so we used our card. You can still use your UAE cards, your credit cards and debit cards, but the exchange difference is so big. So I advise you to, you know, to have more cash with you. Always remind yourself to budget everything and have some extra cash to be in the safe side. So that was all. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that video can help you on your next travel to Armenia. I like the city. Me personally, I like the city. It was a sunny or like a summer season, but the wind was so cold. It was raining. So it's a perfect weather to travel in Yerevan. It was not so hot. It was so cold at night. It's very cold. There are 2 days that it was raining. So yeah, it was a perfect weather for that travel. So that's it, everyone. Thank you again for watching, and I hope that when you go there, when you go to Yerevan, book Yerani Travel, and please say hi to Anastasia, our tour guide for those tours. So thank you again, everyone, and please tag me whenever you have visited Yerevan, and let me know if my tips was so helpful for you. Take care, enjoy, and have a good day.